Ayo, boss, and welcome back. Today, Chef's going to show us how to make some mussels. No, Chef, wrong mussels. We all love classic Arnold, but keep dreaming. Chef's actually going to show us how to make some Mussels Marinara. Steamed up mussels with a nice marinara sauce. Very simple, great appetizer for the fall season, for this Halloween season we're in. So drop the weights, pick up the pans, and let's get cooking. Chef's going to use his copper chef pan, but you want to use a deep pan just like this. Put it over high heat and add some oil. Then you're going to go ahead and add your chopped onion and a little bit of some crushed garlic as well. Chef's going to go ahead and cut up some fresh basil for future use. After about 2 to 4 minutes, Chef's going to go ahead, he's got his washed fresh mussels, going to put in there. It's about 2 pounds if you're wondering, but all the everything will be down below. And then you're going to add your crushed tomatoes, a little bit of white wine, and then that fresh basil you just chopped up there, Chef, and a little pepper for seasoning as well. Give this a good little stir, make sure everything's mixed together, and then put the lid right on top. Chef's going to let this simmer until his mussels open, so just a few minutes. Chef's going to take it off. As you can see, those mussels are opened, nice and steamy. They look fabulous. And that's really it. All the chef's going to do now is serve this up. He said you can actually put a lemon wedge with it, some parsley for color, and that's about it. And there you have it. Mussels. Steam. Chef, put that soggy tea bag away. No one wants to see that bicep. There's a bicep. Chef's dreaming again. We all do thank you all for coming out tonight. We hope you enjoyed this spooky episode. Steamed mussels marinara, beautiful dish. They came out great as an appetizer. If you want to put this over pasta, making a meal, you can do that too. I don't know how we can make these more simple than this, people. Have a safe Halloween to come. We got more videos every week. Thanks for coming out, everyone. Cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. Where's Arnold? We need a contract.